Hello everyone, I'm Miss Dina, and welcome to our lesson on fractions. Today we will learn about halves and quarters. A fraction shows a part of a whole. When we divide something into equal parts, we create fractions. We will learn how to recognize and name simple fractions. This lesson helps us understand sharing equally.
A whole means one complete object. It can be a shape, a fruit, or a paper circle. When it is not divided, it remains one whole. We must understand the whole before we divide it. A whole has no missing parts. This idea helps us understand fractions clearly.
A half means one of two equal parts. We divide a whole into two equal pieces. Each part is called 1/2. The two halves together make one whole. The parts must be equal in size. Equal sharing is important when finding halves.
A quarter means one of four equal parts. We divide a whole into four equal pieces. Each piece is 1/4. 4 quarters together make one whole. The parts must all be the same size. Equal parts help us identify quarters correctly.
Halves and quarters are different sizes. A half is bigger than a quarter. 2 equal parts make halves. 4 equal parts make quarters. We compare by looking at the number of parts. Understanding size helps us compare fractions easily.
We can show fractions using simple shapes. A circle can be divided into halves or quarters. A square can also be divided equally. We must check that the parts are equal. Equal parts show correct fractions. Recognizing fractions in shapes builds confidence.
Fractions help us share items fairly. If 2 children share 1 apple equally, each gets a half. If 4 children share equally, each gets a quarter. Equal sharing means everyone gets the same amount. This shows fractions in real life. Sharing helps us understand parts of a whole.
Today, we learned about halves and quarters. We understood that fractions are parts of a whole. We divided shapes into equal parts. We compared halves and quarters. These are important Year 1 fraction skills. Keep practicing to understand fractions clearly and confidently.